Ah, customer states getting a massage while the engine's running. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh yeah. What up, y'all? Welcome to another video in my garage. I'm kind of going over the Ford Ranger, 1999 Ford Ranger LS swap project. The last video we finished up the crossover hot side. We kind of got the turbo mocked up where we want it. So I'm going to kind of go over what we've done since then. I've kind of done a lot. We got the coil packs mounted. I don't remember if they were mounted in the last video, but we use these billet coil pack brackets a buddy gave to me, and then I made these special flat bar risers. They're unpainted. I still want to take them off and paint them. And then just some wires. So I went into the junkyard and got like off a V6, any like V6 Trailblazer or Blazer, Jimmy or whatever. So all the plug wires are on. Those seem to be working pretty good. We got our charge pipe cold side on. Hot side's completely put together. I've already heat cycled it a little bit too to check for leaks. I don't remember if I showed this or not, but there's our coolant kind of bypass. It's a weird shaped tube I made out of stainless. So that seems to be leak free thus far. As far as the downpipe coming out of the turbo, so it's 3-inch. And then I got this reducer on Amazon, 3 to 4-inch, and then slapped it on the 4-inch straight out the back. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's way too loud. I'm gonna end up at some point putting a muffler on it just to quiet it down. I'm getting to that, maybe I'm getting to that point in my life where I don't need it to be obnoxiously loud for me to enjoy it, but it does sound good, so I'll get you guys a sound clip at some point. But anyways, so that's where we're at with it so far. It does run, it does drive. I need to probably go through and get a retune, or I'm gonna obviously go through myself and do the retune. I just got a new computer. I got the new Holly, it's like the V2 Terminator software, so I have to do a firmware update on the handheld and on the ECU before I can start messing with that. But as it sits right now, it's running and driving. The only thing we're missing is I have to get a nipple right here. It's a -8 to a nipple. That way I can put a boost reference line to the gate. And then there's eBay ones still on here loosely mounted, but I actually just scooped this. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys this. So it's a Black Sheep Industries, I believe 45mm. So there's a guy on YouTube named Boosted Lifestyles. He has a company in Canada that sells these Black Sheep Industry wastegates. He also sells a lot of other stuff, turbos and all that good stuff. But I wanted to try one of these wastegates out. I've never bought a really high quality wastegate. I've always just used eBay. And honestly, I've had good luck with eBay. But I'm slowly trying to upgrade this truck, and I want to put nicer parts on it. You know, I got the truck running, it drives, it makes boost great. We can check that block. But now, like, I can never really live anything alone, so I want to put a nice wastegate, so why the heck not? So anyways, it comes with the little, I believe this is a gasket kit for the piston, because this has a piston versus a normal wastegate. Most of them have a diaphragm, so that's what's nice about these. They're easy to rebuild, I guess you could say. So yeah, BSI logo on the top. It comes with, I believe, 3 springs, and I think one's already inside. And then here's the chart. Yeah, so it's got a red, a yellow, and a blue, and I think the red's already in there, and that's what I'm gonna leave in there. So that's 5.5 to 7 PSI, so that's perfect for what I'm gonna be running for right now, but she's very nice. So at some point, I need to take the V-bands that are in here, take the exhaust back, or the manifold on this side off, and we're either gonna cut off that V-band or just weld that other one on top of it, and then we're gonna mount the Black Sheep wastegate, and then we're gonna put another little dump tube like this one and just call it good. And then while I have this off, I'm also going to clean this off. This is like an old bracket I had. I want to weld that, or I'm sorry, I want to smooth that out, smooth some of these other welds out, and then put a fresh coat of paint on this thing and call it good. But that's it. That's kind of the update as of right now. Not really a whole lot else going on. It's been really, really hot here in Texas lately, so I haven't really been motivated to come out and mess with this thing, and I work a lot. So I'm always at work. So by the time I get home from work, you know, it's still over 100 degrees outside, and I just don't feel like messing with it. But that's it for now. That's what the inside looks like if you've never seen it. So I think also the next video, maybe even before we do the wastegate, this is the 8.8 axle I have for it. I really like to go through and start cleaning this up, so look forward to that in a future video. But yeah, we're just gonna keep, you know, getting stuff done on this. I will do a first drive video at some point. We're not gonna be able to beat on it. Like I said, I gotta get the tune hammered out and make sure all that's good. But as it sits right now, I'm very happy with this. I guess that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know, leave a like, and I hope you have a good day.